What if I told you that thousands of people are leveraging Tailwind Pinterest tribes to skyrocket their audience and leave you in their dust? In just a few minutes, you could tap into a community that supercharges your pins, boosting engagement like never before. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Every day you wait means potential followers are flocking to your competitors. Stay tuned to discover the secret strategies that can transform your Pinterest presence overnight. Start by identifying and joining Tailwind tribes that resonate with your niche. Think of tribes as vibrant communities built around shared interests. These groups can be goldmines for content that speaks directly to your target audience. Look for tribes where members are not just active, but engaged. This means they're consistently sharing high-quality pins that relate to the topics you care about. By becoming part of these tribes, you'll find yourself surrounded by a network of like-minded creators eager to support one another. It's important to choose tribes that feature relevant content. This ensures that the pins you interact with are aligned with what your followers are looking for. When you share these high-quality pins, you boost your credibility and visibility in the eyes of your audience. Take a moment to research and observe the tribes you're considering. Are the members sharing active, useful content? Are they collaborating and engaging with one another? These are crucial signs that you have found a tribe worth joining. Once you've selected your tribes, immerse yourself in the content and start sharing and contributing. How will you leverage these tribes to elevate your Pinterest game and connect with your ideal audience? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Once you've joined the right tribes, it's time to focus on sharing quality content on a regular basis. This step is crucial because it's not just about joining the conversation. It's about contributing meaningful content that adds value to your tribe's audience. Think about the interests and needs of your fellow members. What can you share that will resonate with them? Aim to pin original content that's visually appealing and relevant. High-quality images and insightful captions can significantly increase the chances of your pins being repinned. Remember, the more engaging and valuable your content is, the more likely tribe members will want to share it with their own audiences. Consistency is key here. Set a schedule for posting and stick to it. Whether it's once a day, a few times a week, or whatever feels feasible for you, regular participation will keep you in the spotlight. This not only boosts your visibility within the tribe, but also expands your content's reach across Pinterest, drawing in new followers who are eager to see what you have to offer. Think about this. How will you maintain your content's quality and consistency while keeping your audience engaged? Engaging and collaborating with your tribe members is where the magic truly happens. By actively repinning their content, you're not just showcasing their work, you're also fostering a sense of community. Think of this as a give-and-take relationship when you share their pins. They're more inclined to return the favor, elevating everyone involved. But it doesn't stop there. Take a moment to leave thoughtful comments on their pins. A simple compliment or a question can spark a conversation and make you memorable, the kind of member who genuinely cares about the community. Starting conversations can reveal shared interests and ideas, leading to richer connections and collaborative opportunities down the line. Remember, collaboration is key in Tailwind tribes. The more you interact, the more likely your tribe will support you in return. These efforts transform your tribe into a supportive network, amplifying your reach beyond just your own pins. So, consider how you can initiate contact with tribe members today. What's the first step you'll take to start those meaningful conversations?